Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.
A warm welcome to this inaugural occasion of our newsletter, Telangana Audiologist and Speech and Language Pathologist newsletter. I welcome you all, particularly my friends and staff from NIMH colleagues. I welcome you, sir, and it is our privilege to welcome you all. And today, it is very high privilege from our side, our dignitaries and supportive mechanism from the beginning. I heartily congratulate and express our deep wishes, happiness to our chief guest, Sri Umar Khan Sir Garu, who has supporting us, and he was a backbone from the beginning, from the day one. In the same hall, he was encouraging us, and till today we see him, and we welcome from our all TASALPA members. Your support is enormous, sir, and we are very thankful to you. You are encouraging to us as well as your students and field of ASLP at large. This is very great thing from you, sir. And as well as today's special guest, Dr. Raja Pandian sir from Hearing Solutions, Managing Director. Sir has helping from day one as well. He is a back support for us, and we are really privileged to have such dignitaries, sir. Thank you very much. We welcome you. And our strong, enthusiastic, evergreen, ever energetic man, Dr. Nagender Kanakapati, is also from day one as a main founder member of this, and I welcome him for his enthusiastic work to this and encouraging us from day one. He has proposed us with this beautiful concept where it will nurture and enrich our ASLPs in Telangana state primarily, and we will take further in future with good expectations. And I welcome my co-friend, and because co-friend, he is a general secretary who has taken from us, and now he has done a beautiful back support to president and EC members, and because of his team we are able to see this good day, and in future some more progress and development in terms of ASLP, TASALPA, and also we will take it to national and international level. We are assuming it, though we are very budding stage, but we should have aim higher. That's why we are telling it to national and international level. And with all our support, today we are around 20-25 people gathered here. Tomorrow this 25 will be stars which will be visualized by all. Stars will be less, but they will be visualized to many. So that, like that, these stars are important. And my team, where Susan madam, my colleague and my senior, and our madam Vinila madam, and my friend Dr. Satya, we are happy to see you. Along with you, we are able to see Suparna Garu and also Srividya madam, who are also back support, who has done their part of work from their institutions also. And 3 institutions, Aliya Varjang National Institute for Hearing Handicap, Helen Keller's institution, and Swikar Upkar institutions are also having their support in this work. So this is the work which is for all, and this is not only for us. We want to update our works and give information to many people what is happening with us, because newsletter helps in that way. And initially with my co-friend, co-editor, what we have thought is we want to take it to national level. This was the idea which was given by Dr. Satya Garu. Satya sir, who is a psychologist, PhD in NIMH. Because of him, we are having a vision to take it to national and international level through journal. So we are starting with newsletter, sir. Tomorrow we want to take it to journal level. With all your support, hopefully, including psychologists, special educators, and well-versed any stalwarts and experts from the Indian side and our field rehabilitation side, we want to improve it to that level. And I welcome sir, HOD psychology department, Dashrath Sir Garu, who is a professor, associate professor in NIPID, and sir has recently come back to again to the headquarters, and we could see, sir, your presence, and there is a good encouragement through you and your colleagues. We are also being supported, and we welcome you, sir, not only to this function, we also welcome you to our strength, backbone and experts committee. Thank you very much, sir. I thank each and everyone, my what we call co-friends, my sports friends are also here. I welcome Naresh, Nitin and Vinod, and as well as Swami and all others. And I also welcome from EC member side here we can see the representation from our Vivek Srivastav, who is also doing wonderful job at his level. And today we can see that from his side he is representing alone. And it is very great to see. Thank you all. I welcome you again and again. Jai Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Jai Ganapati.